Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to group dates by week in Google Sheets pivot table. Let's begin. Example: see this date. Select your date. Go to Format tab. Use date. Date format must be use date format. Okay. Then select full data. Go to Insert tab. See this pivot table. New sheet. Create rows, dates, and values cells. Okay, then select any date cells, right click on your mouse, create pivot date group, find date of the week, click here, and now we can see this group date by week. Then again again ungroup this, right click, ungroup pivot items. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.